Hello, my name is Mike Janulitis, and I'm the owner of Cornerbowl Software. I'm excited to announce the release of Cornerbowl Log Manager 2020. In this video, I'm going to show you the highlights so you can see how Log Manager can help you monitor and consolidate logs. Log Manager is offered as a 30-day free trial, which can be downloaded by visiting www.cornerbowlsoftware.com/download. So what is Log Manager? It is an event log manager, a Syslog Server, a real-time text log monitor, a Log Consolidator, security event log report generator, and it's compliance software for security standards such as PCI DSS, HIPAA, SOX, and GDPR. Log Manager is a 64-bit Windows application that runs on Windows Server 2008 R2 and Windows 7 SP1 and higher. Once installed, you'll be presented with an onboarding wizard, which will help you quickly configure the software. I'm going to skip the wizard and instead give a brief overview of the product. As a user, you create configuration templates, then assign them to servers or groups of servers. The software includes sample templates for which you can use or modify to suit your needs. Expanding the sample templates, the first templates we see are for account lockout monitoring. These templates do not actually look at security event logs, but instead either scan Active Directory or specific servers for locked out accounts. Moving down, we have the Log Consolidation templates. If I right-click and select Properties on the Event Log Consolidation template, we can see the execution schedule, the logs to download, the download rules. One of these features is the ability to download a date range of entries. I added this feature to address the dreaded quota violation we often see when pulling logs through WMI. The log entry retention policy, for example, archive entries older than 30 days and retain archived entries for 60 days, for a total of 90 days of entries. The option to apply monitoring rules at the moment we download the entries. The right side provides us with the tools to assign the template to specific hosts or groups of hosts. Moving down, we see 3 real-time monitors I have included. These templates subscribe to the event log, then throw alerts as they happen in real time. Moving down, we see reports. Reports scan the log consolidation database for specific log entries, then report on them. There are several installed reports that will fulfill your auditing requirements. For example, failed logons, success logons, account management, and new accounts. After reports, we have the log repositories. Log Manager can store data in Elasticsearch, Cosmos DB, SQL Server, MySQL, and there is a flat file system which Cornerbowl provides if you do not want to integrate with a third-party data provider. As mentioned earlier, Log Manager integrates with Active Directory. You have the ability to configure multiple AD trees, which can be used in continuous delivery pipelines. Continuous delivery pipelines enable you to autonomously configure new computers, update existing configurations, and remove decommissioned computers from the system without any human intervention. Again, here we have the schedule to execute, the AD path to scan, the ability to filter on AD attribute value pairs, for example, the type of operating system, a list of computers to ignore, and next we assign which templates and reports we want to assign. Moving down the list, we see a set of included filters. If we go into security and take a look at the failed logon filters, we can see how that works. There are three types of filters: simple, complex, and C# script. This is a complex filter. Looking at the filter, we see a group of rules which contains the rules to trigger on interactive and RDP logons. If we look at the security group management filter, we can see an example of a simple filter. Each event log ID is comma delimited. Moving down, we have our actions, which include email, text, local and remote execution, for example, execute PowerShell scripts or starting processes, save to file, and a few more. Farther down, we have three types of schedules: fixed, for example, every day at 2 a.m., ranges, for example, once an hour. These are evenly distributed over an array of host assignments, enabling the software to distribute load over time. And then real time, all of which include assigning maintenance windows or periods to disable execution. For example, do not monitor every Sunday morning between 4 and 6 a.m. Next, there are several views that tell you what the software is doing: running monitors, running reports, errors. Email settings, and then our Syslog Server. Then there are push logs. The push log function enables you to push logs over the Log Manager client-server interface rather than through DCOM for event logs, Windows shares for Windows-based text logs, or SSH for Unix log files. This feature was added so work-from-home users in regulated environments could be monitored. The function also enables you to bypass DCOM on servers that sporadically throw the RPC server unavailable error. My tests have shown the Log Manager push log function takes an average of 8.5% the time it takes DCOM to download the log entries, or DCOM takes 12 times longer than Log Manager. Now, very quickly, let's look at the event log viewer. If I expand my log repository and right-click on a log under one of my hosts, I have the option to view consolidated log content. I can also watch or tail the log file in real time. Selecting View gives me the option to pull entries from a specific time range, as well as limit the size of the results set. Filters applied on this screen are executed on the server rather than in the view, minimizing network bandwidth consumption. The viewer includes a message preview option, hide duplicates, which does a unique select on event ID and source, a group by feature, filter, find, and paging. That's a quick tour of Cornerbolt Log Manager 2020. If this was informative, please don't forget to like my video when you are done. Thank you, and please don't hesitate to contact me if you need more information or assistance configuring the software on your network. I look forward to the opportunity to work with you.